All right, let's jump right into today's explainer. We're tackling a really fascinating topic today, how we can actually anticipate the future using data. We live in this world that is just totally overflowing with information, but having a mountain of raw data doesn't magically give you a crystal ball. That is exactly where a very specific, very powerful type of data science comes into play. So, what is likely to happen next? Whether you're running a massive multinational corporation, trying to untangle a supply chain, or just figuring out market trends, this is the ultimate million-dollar question you want answered, right? And it's the exact problem that predictive analytics was specifically built to solve.
To put it simply, predictive analytics is the phase of data analysis that focuses entirely on forecasting what might happen. It takes everything we've already gathered from the past and essentially asks the system to look forward. By combining historical data with statistical modeling and machine learning, it moves us past just understanding what happened yesterday and gets us actively prepared for tomorrow.
Now, how does it actually pull this off? Well, the secret sauce here is precision through patterns. These models chew through vast amounts of historical data to identify hidden patterns in past events, past behaviors, and past risks. Once those patterns are locked in, organizations can project them forward to forecast future trends. And because they're leveraging some seriously sophisticated machine learning algorithms, they're doing this with a really impressive degree of precision. But, okay, let's do a quick reality check here. To quote our source material directly, no analytics will be able to tell you exactly what will happen in the future. It is absolutely crucial to keep that in mind. As advanced as these machine learning models are getting, data is still not a flawless crystal ball. There's always going to be an element of the unknown.
And that nuance is everything. We have to understand the fundamental difference between what will happen and what might happen. Predictive analytics doesn't spit out absolute, ironclad certainties. Instead, it puts into perspective what might happen by calculating probabilities and likelihoods based on a specific set of variables. It's really about swapping out blind guesswork for highly educated, statistically backed probabilities.
So you might be wondering, if we can't know the future perfectly, why does this even matter? Why pour resources into predicting it at all? Well, having these mathematical likelihoods in hand is a total game changer. It allows leaders to proactively shape their strategies instead of just reacting. Businesses use predictive analytics to fine-tune their day-to-day operations, meaning they can actually anticipate a sudden rush in demand or a dip in supply and adjust on the fly. They use it to figure out if new products are actually worth the investment. And in the financial sector, investors rely on this heavily to determine exactly where they should be putting their money. It's the engine of proactive decision-making. Let's bring this down to earth and look at how this actually plays out in the real world. At its core, predictive analytics answers what might happen by filling in the gaps of available data. And honestly, the best example of this is probably happening to you right now every single day online. Internet retailers use predictive analytics constantly to fine-tune your purchase recommendations. By analyzing what you've bought in the past and comparing that to what millions of people similar to you have bought, they calculate the probability of what you might want next. The result? A massive boost in sales for the retailer and a highly personalized shopping experience for you.
But it goes way, way beyond just online shopping. In finance and banking, predictive models are running in the background determining your credit score and detecting real-time fraud by flagging unusual spending patterns. In healthcare, it is literally saving lives by identifying patients at a high risk for chronic diseases long before a crisis hits. In manufacturing, it's forecasting equipment failures so factories can avoid massive, costly downtime. And over in marketing, it's predicting customer churn, giving companies the heads-up they need to tailor their ad campaigns and keep those subscribers. Literally every sector relies on this stuff to prevent problems and uncover hidden opportunities.
So if we boil it all down, the core takeaway from this explainer is this. Predictive analytics is the science of turning your historical data into a map of probabilities. It doesn't guarantee the future, right? But it does illuminate the most likely paths forward, which allows organizations to navigate a really complex world with actionable foresight rather than just relying on blind luck. Which leaves us with a pretty big question for you to chew on. Think about your own world for a second. What historical data are you ignoring today that could actually predict your tomorrow? Because whether it's in your business or your personal projects, the patterns of your future are very likely hiding right there in the data of your past. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for this explainer, and definitely keep an eye out for those patterns.